is Dawn from Create to 8 and Create with Confidence. And today what we're going to do is a flip through with my latest junk journal. And this is from my digital kit, Fairies of the Wildwoods. So I wanted to show you this junk journal that I made using the digital kit. And we're just going to do a flip through here. So I've got a little toggle for the clasp and Embrace the Journey. Some tags here. So if you want to do a magical trip through a beautiful fairy wonderland, this would be a wonderful journal to make. You can see I've got some pages, book pages in here. The digital kit doesn't include the book pages, but it includes all the other pages that are themed with the digital kit, and of course all the tags and the sayings. So if you were a fairy, how would you be spending your days? That's kind of what this digital kit looks at. And sayings like the forest keeps its secrets. There's some potions. Back in there. So that's just a page. 3 pocket here. Let's see, more digitals. This is not included. That's just from some odds and ends that I'd gotten. That's included. This was created from a master board, so that's not included. These are included. And that pretty fairy teaching little fairies how to do something. Little miniature envelope there. And I apologize for the glare. Not much I can do with it. Yeah, these tags are just a conglomeration from different things. So these aren't included, but that is. And this is one of my little secret things that I do using the lunch bag that I love. I just love those little open doors. We have lots of little fairy doors here. So that was the first signature. Let's go through. We'll tag there. Isn't she precious? Okay. I love the mushrooms. So I just made that into a pocket. It's got little fairies and butterflies. Sleeping fairy. Here's another hidden door. Here's the demon key, getting ready to come in. Don't want to bend that paper there. Hey, Gracie. Y'all can't see her, but she's plopped down right there. You can see her tail. Okay, little fairy, sleeping fairy there. Made a little tag. Let's see what we got here. So it's a fun kit. It's got lots of different things for fairies in here. So if you know somebody that's a fairy lover, this would be a cute kit, digital kit for them or for you to make a journal for them. Little woodland animals. I love this girl. I think she's so pretty. Here's the rest of that bag. Let's see. That's from a master board. That's from the fairy kit. And that's from the fairy kit. Just a flip out there. Couple of tags there. So you can see it's got lots of little pockets in it. It's got lots of tags. Belts and belly bands, envelopes. There's another small envelope. Another pocket tag. And there's the back door. Another tag and pocket. And then the back. So that's from the digital kit, Fairies of the Wildwoods, and it is going to be up on the Etsy shop. And this journal will also be up on the Etsy shop for sale. And I will soon have complete journal kits up on the Etsy shop for you to look for. Okay. And these kits will have my digital papers in them, along with everything you need to make a book like this. It will have the clasp, the corners, paper clips, lace, coordinating ribbons, everything. So I'll have those kits, and as soon as I get one ready, I'll show that to you. Hope you enjoyed that short video, and I will see you later.